Hi! In front of me is OPPO A77s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. First of all, you need to open your device's keyboard. And if microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, select this gear. Now tap on voice typing and click on this switcher next to use voice typing in order to activate it. Following that, go back to your keyboard and click on microphone icon to start typing. When you finished, click on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!